Welcome. Today we move a warehouse robot that is stuck mid-path. On the floor map, the robot sits at 4 meters along the aisle, 1 meter across the bay, and 6 meters on the shelf height. A planner already chose a full nudge of 2 meters, minus 3 meters, and 1 meter up, but the operator wants only half of that nudge for a careful approach. What is stuck is the new floor position after that half step. By the end, you will scale the nudge. Then add it slot by slot and read where the robot lands. The method that unlocks that careful move is just 2 operations, add and scale. Vector addition combines matching slots. Scalar multiplication applies the same multiplier to every slot. Those 2 moves are the grammar of linear algebra, not a new kind of arithmetic. Slot by slot bookkeeping on a list, so the robot can take a half step of the plan nudge. The same algebra later updates model features, but the story here is the floor move. Line up the slots before you add or scale. The current position X is 4, 1, 6, 3 meters in a fixed order, aisle, bay, height. The nudge direction D is 2, minus 3, 1. Each update component must sit under the coordinate it is meant to change. If the order drifts, the arithmetic silently mixes unlike quantities, aisle meters under bay meters. Scale first. Taking half of that nudge means multiply every component of D by 1/2. 2 times 1/2 is 1. Minus 3 times 1/2 is minus 1.5. 1 times 1/2 is 1/2. So 1/2 D is 1, minus 1.5, 1/2, the careful half step the operator asked for. Add second. Geometrically, attach the scaled nudge to the tip of the current position, tip to tail. The plane you are watching shows the first 2 floor slots. The robot's albay landing at 4, 1, then 1/2 D steps 1 right and 1.5 down. Slot 3 is height, not on this plane. 6 plus 1/2 becomes 6.5, and that lives on the chip. Back to the robot, the nudge must keep the same slot order as the current position. Shift D 1 slot to the right and 2 sits under 1, minus 3 sits under 6, and the first slot of X has nothing honest to add. That silently mixes aisle meters with bay meters. The numbers did not change. The pairing did. Scale the planned nudge D at 2, minus 3, 1 by 1/2, the careful half step the operator asked for. Multiply every slot by 1/2. 2 times 1/2 is 1. Minus 3 times 1/2 is minus 1.5. 1 times 1/2 is 1/2. 1/2 D is 1, minus 1.5, 1/2. The trap. Scaling only the first slot, or adding before scaling, both miss the careful half step. Finish the warehouse move, add the scaled nudge to the current position X at 4, 1, 6. Find the new floor position. Add slot by slot. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus minus 1.5 is minus 1/2. 6 plus 1/2 is 6.5. So the robot's new floor position is 5, minus 1/2, 6.5. The trap. Adding D unscaled or reversing the order of slots both send the robot to a different spot. So the stuck robot is unstuck. Scale first, then add. For 4, 1, 6 plus a half step of 2, minus 3, 1, the new floor position is 5, minus 1/2, 6.5. Comment below with one thing that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe so the next linear algebra lesson lands in your feed. Then open this lesson in the ExamMaster app and continue while it is fresh.